We found a rocket. Here's how you go.
It needs 10 crystals shining bright.
Look! 1 crystal, 2 crystals, 3 crystals, 4 crystals. On a frog. 5 crystals. Halfway done. Here's 6 crystals. 7 crystals. 8 crystals. 9 crystals. 10 crystals. We found them all. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's ready. Get in the rocket. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. We're flying to the sky. We learned our numbers! Hooray! Hooray! We're home! What a journey!
We found a rocket, old and wood, hiding right here in the neighborhood. Our friend the turtle,
We found a
wise and
rocket.
slow, read
Here's how
the
you
instructions. Here's how you go. It needs 10 crystals, shining bright, to fill it up with magic light. Let's find them now, our super quest. Let's work together, we're the best. Look, 1 crystal, 2
By the flower.
I found 2 crystals
In the tower.
I see 3 crystals in a log, 4 crystals on a frog, 5 crystals halfway done. Counting together is so much fun. Here's 6 crystals in the grass, 7 crystals, look at them pass. 8 crystals, this is great. 9 crystals, don't be late. 10 crystals, we found them all. Now to the rocket, let's have a ball.